So welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll cover VPC Network Peering lab. So simply click on Start Lab. Now just right click and open the console incognito window. Click on Understand. Now click on I agree and continue, and simply activate the Cloud Shell. Click on Continue. Authorize. Now in the description box of this video I've shared this repository. Select it, GitHub dash, and here we have to enter the second project ID. So first of all, let me increase the text size. And for the second project ID, here is our second project ID. So copy it, paste over here, hit enter. Now for the zone, let's come to the zone. So here multiple zones are there. So here it's asking for first project, that is project A. So from here we have to carefully select this zone, hit enter. And for zone 2, which will be B, we have to just add this zone. Paste it, hit enter. Now wait for all these configuration to get completed. So finally it's done. Now let's check the score. And if you want to enable this yellow check my progress bar, you can check the video description how to enable it. Or you can simply navigate to that task and check the score.